Hello my dear viewers, today I will talk about how to remove your swelling in the ankles, feet or in the legs, maybe all around your body. We talk about the special vitamins that can help you in a very natural way. When we talk about the swelling that occur in the lower extremities, we can divide them into those that are easily solved and those that are caused by various diseases, extremely difficult to cure. Middle forms of the causes that potentiate swelling in the leg can be long-term standing, walking, high day temperatures, or swelling occurs as a result of playing some kind of sport. It is very easy to resolve. So many people have this swelling that comes easily, also reduce easily in our body. But some kind of problems that include liver problems, heart problems, that you have lymphedema, or you have some kind of vein problems in lower extremities, this is the much more important stuff that we need to think about it. When we think about any form of treatments for such diseases, we must first find out what is exactly the cause so that we later can adequately treat this type of disease. Many people all around the world eat garbage or junk food each day, and when you eat this kind of food each day, you must know that a lot of minerals and vitamins is chronically lacking in your body, especially when you have this fluid retention in your legs. Probably you have also chronic lack of potassium. Potassium is the very important mineral for the fluid retention. But when we talk about the most important vitamins that can help you resolve your swelling, that we talk about it B vitamins, especially vitamin B1. B1 is the water-soluble vitamin. It can cause an increase in fluid around the heart, which leads to inability of the heart to pump properly and causes swelling of the legs. This vitamin is also called thiamine. That is also important. So when you don't have vitamin B1 in your body, your many functions in your body does not work properly. Especially your heart is working in a way that is not supposed to do. When you had heart problems, much of the time you also will have fluid retention in your lower extremities. These vitamins is easily absorbed and washed out of the body and is most often stationed in the liver. If you have chronic deficiency of the vitamin B1, which can occur in the various reasons, you have a much higher chance of the swelling in your legs. There is a disease called beriberi, closely related to the vitamin B1 deficiency, which causes swelling in the legs. In the short, when you have the swelling, probably you need the vitamin B1. When I recommend it to my patients, always take vitamin B complex together. But for this specific topic, vitamin B1 is so important. You can take as a supplement, that is fine, but I will recommend you food that contains a large quantity of vitamin B1. This is nutritional yeast, spirulina, seaweed, sunflower seeds, macadamia nuts, black beans, lentils, peas, and much more food. So vitamin B1 is very important. And second vitamin that I want to tell you about it is vitamin C. Vitamin C have crucial part in our immunity, and when your immunity is very poor, you also have a greater chance to get swelling in your lower extremities. So when we talk about vitamin C, the body needs for the blood vessels, bones, tendons, nerves, the immune systems, and the antioxidants in vitamin C reduce signals that cause inflammation and protect the cells. This can reduce and even stop swelling and other types of the problems. So you also need vitamin C in your food. Also, you can take it in the form of supplements. When you take the supplements, you must take high quality supplements. But as always, the best form is you get from organic food, and the food that contains a large quantity of vitamin C is the lemon, orange, grapefruit, tangerine, kiwi, also in peppers, strawberries, papaya, pineapple, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, mango, tomatoes, spinach. We have a very large fruits, vegetables that contains a large quantity of vitamin C. So, do you remember? Vitamin B1, vitamin C, as the bonus in this today show. I recommend you third vitamin that is so important is vitamin D. Vitamin D is the vitamin that we get from the sun, and usually when you take 30 to 45 minutes a day at the sun, you get enough vitamin D in your body. But like 95% adult people all around the world don't get not closely in vitamin D that you need every day. So you also take food, take supplements from vitamin D, especially you take vitamin D from the sun. So in the conclusion, vitamin B1, vitamin C and vitamin D is the most important vitamins for the swelling reduction.